guys, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to continue with the tutorial regarding the PLC programming using a Moeller EC719 mini PLC. As you can see, we have a setup. The previous video I used the input 1, which is a momentarily normally open push button contact, and if I press it, output 1 Q1 will be activated. If I release it, output Q1 will be deactivated. So that is the way a normally open momentarily push button contact push button will work. Now, input 2 is a different type of push button. It is a latch, unlatch push button. When I press and release, the contact will remain closed. When I press and release, the contact will be open. So I'm going to use this input 2 to program and activate Q2. Let's go to the PLC. By the way guys, I am Roel Rodriguez of Tech Hertz Vlog. Please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Okay guys, now we are going to program additional circuit into the existing PLC program, which is this one. We're going to add this circuit, which include input 2 and output 2, which is Q2. Okay, now we're going to start. We're going to put the PLC in program mode. In doing that, we have to press escape. The cursor is blinking on the program, so I will press the down arrow key, which will go to the stop run line, and then if I press OK, the check will transfer to the stop. As you can see, now the check is on the stop, which means that the program inside the PLC is in program mode. Now I will go up so that the program will blink, and press OK to go inside the program. Another press OK. Now I'm inside PLC program, wherein I can edit. So I will add input 2 and then output 2 Q2. So I need to bring the cursor down one more. So if I press OK, input 1 is the default. Since I will use the input 1, letter I will just leave it like that. I will press right arrow key. The blinking will transfer to the numeral numbers, which is 1. Since I need to input 2, I will press up arrow key to increment the value from 1 to 2. If I press OK, cursor is back. Same time before, I need to press Alt so that I can create the line from here to the output. After pressing the Alt, you can see there is an arrow key. I will press just the right arrow key, and it will draw line going to the output side. So I need to input Q2 by pressing OK. The default is Q1, so I need to press the right arrow key. Numeral will blink. I will press the up arrow key so that it will be Q2, and press OK. Now the program is now like this. Now it is the same. So I can just press escape and select OK to save the program inside the PLC. Now it is done. Now if you want to access the program again and do another editing, you can do so by pressing OK. But since it is already saved, I can just press escape, go down to the stop run, and press OK to run the PLC program. As you can see, the LED is blinking. It is in run mode now. We can go to the program and we can monitor it online, no? So if I press OK, if I press the input 1, you can see that the line is becoming thick. So it means it is active. If I release input 1, the line will become thin. It means it is not active. If I press input 2, so the line will become thick. It means that the circuit is active. If I press again input 2, line will become thin and output to Q2 is deactivated. Let us see in the big view to see the output and the input. Okay, from the bigger view, which shows the input and the output, we can test now the program, this program. So remember that input 1 is a push button which is momentarily normally open contact, and input 2 is a different push button. It is a latch unlatch push button. Let us see what is the difference between the two circuits. So from before, the circuit for input 1 is, if you press output 1, Q1 will be activated. If I release input 1, Q1 will be deactivated. Now for input 2, since it is a latch unlatch push button, if I press input 2, output 2, Q2 will be activated. And if I release input 2, output 2 is still activated, or it is latch. Now in order to switch off output 2, I'm going to press again input 2, which is unlatch, and if I release it, output 2 will be deactivated. Again, latch, unlatch, latch, unlatch push button. Input 1, momentarily normally open contact. If I release, output 1 will be switched off. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I will create another tutorial with a different kind of push button, and of course including these two mini relay. Hope you will see the video for study, and that's it guys. See you on the next video. Bye and peace.